Alright, substitute the values into the given formula and solve. So in this case, we just want to be able to use a formula and input the value. So the formula given is, the formula of the parameter for the rectangle is P equals 2L plus 2W. Alright, and so if the length, which is L, is 9 meters and the width, which is W, is 5 meters, then we want to find the actual perimeter. So P is going to equal 2. We replace 2 with the length value, so 9 meters. Units are important. Plus 2 times 5 meters. Alright, so we want to distribute our 2, so perimeter equals 18 meters plus 10 meters. Distribute our 2. So perimeter is going to equal to 28 meters. So make sure you've got your units there and make sure that you understand how to correctly input a given value for a variable. Alright, next example here. The area of a triangle is given by area equals 1/2 base times height. So area equals 1/2 and base times height. Alright, so if the base B is 9 inches and the height H is 17 inches, find the area of that triangle. So we're going to replace the values that are given. So 1/2, and again, units are important, so 19 inches, and our height is 17 inches. Alright, so this is going to be area equals 1/2, and then we need to multiply these together. So when we multiply these, this is kind of interesting here, but if we've got, let's say to the side here, if we have x times x, well that's x squared, right? If I have square times square, well that's square squared. Probably shouldn't have said square squared, but you get the gist, right? So that means if I have inches times inches, I have inches squared. So when I multiply these, I'm actually multiplying the 19 with the 17, so I'm multiplying my constants, and then you can think about multiplying our units. So this is going to be area equals 1/2. Well, 19 times 17 is going to be 323. Inches times inches is inches squared. And then we want to multiply by 1/2. So 323 divided by 1/2. So multiply by 1/2, so that's like dividing by 2. That's 161.5 inches squared. So be sure to keep your units and then make sure that we are distributing and simplifying.